Greetings to all of you from Delhi Public School Electronic City. As you're all aware, 21st of June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day all over the world. As you all know, yoga originated from India, and what used to be a practice followed by the yogic gurus in the ashrams or the learned has now penetrated into the entire world, and humanity is looking forward to using yoga for their well-being. Especially now, since we are going through the pandemic, it is very, very important that all of us pay attention to our health. When I say health, it does not mean only physical health. It also refers to psychological health, emotional health, social health also. And yoga has the answer for everything. We all think that yoga means it is just about doing exercises or some asanas. I would like to remind all of you that that is just a part of yoga. Yoga is actually a way of life where we have to pay attention to every aspect of our life. Yoga promotes not only just asanas, but also it promotes us to pay attention to everything what we do from morning till evening. It educates us on the right way of breathing, the right way of eating, the right way of sleeping, the right way of interacting with our near and dear ones, and most importantly, how we have to be tolerant in these challenging times also. So I would urge all my students and dear parents and teachers also to adopt this new way of life and use yoga for your complete well-being. We at Delhi Public School Electronic City impart yoga classes right from nursery to the senior most classes. We select age-appropriate practices so that children are introduced to this healthy way of life. On this occasion of International Yoga Day, especially during this coronavirus where we are not able to meet you in person, I extend my heartiest greetings to each one of you on this very special day. Let this pandemic not control us from leading a healthy lifestyle. Let us make use of the time we have and ensure that we are conscious of ourselves throughout. Again, thank you all for joining us on this yoga day. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Dear children, we'll start with the yoga prayer. Kindly everyone sit top of the yoga mat, Sukhasana position. Join your hands, close your eyes, get ready for the yoga prayer.
Yoga
Slowly rub your arms. Keep it near your eyes. Open your eyes. Look your palms. Slowly open. Stand up. We'll start with the Surya Namaskara first. Okay, children, come to Namaskara position. Namaskarasana. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Dvipadasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Shashankasana. Sastanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Adhomukha Shwanasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Okay, children. Next, we are going to second repetition. Get ready. Okay, children. Come to Namaskara position. Namaskarasana. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Dvipadasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Shashankasana. Sastanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Adhomukha Shwanasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Release your arms down. Hands back. Bend down your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, children. Take the long breath in, long breath out. Dear children, next we are moving towards standing asanas. In that first asana is Tadasana. Everyone kindly come to attention position. Raise your head. Interlock your hands. Bring near to your chest. Expand your arms. Bring your arms near to your head, feet apart. Be in the standard ease position. Afterwards, take your arms above your head. Stand up on your toes. You have to rise your toes. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly legs down. Bring your arms down near to your chest. Release your arms. Release your arms. Bend down your head. Go for relaxation pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same Tadasana we are doing one more time. Come to attention position. Count number 1. Join your arms. Interlock your arms. Count number 2. Expand your arms. Count number 3. Take your arms above your head. Count number 4. Rise, stand at ease position. Count number 5. Stand upon your toes. Rise your heels. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your legs. Release your arms. Bend down. Go for relaxation position. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, dear children, next we are moving towards second standing asana, that is Vrukshasana. Come to attention position. Take your right leg near to your left thigh. Balance your body. Stretch your arms. Go to Namaskara position. Join your arms above your head. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your arms. Arms keep it down near to your thigh. Release your leg. Be in the relaxation pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. Next, with the other leg. Now, left leg. Left leg bring near to your right thigh. Stretch your arms. Do Namaskara position above your head. Be in the pose 5 seconds. Maintain the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your hands down. Release your arms near to your thigh. Put your leg down. Bend on your head. Be in the relaxation pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. Next we are moving next asana, that is Padahastasana. Please kindly come to attention position. Raise your arms upon your head. Breathe in. Slowly bend down. Breathe out and bend down slowly. Keep your palms below the foot. How much possible, that much try it. It is not possible, it's okay, fine. How much possible, you have to try that much. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly rise your body, release your arms. Slowly rise your body. Go to the same position. Again, come back for the attention position. Go to standard ease position. Bend down your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Children, relax. Be in the relaxation pose. Okay, second time. Come to attention position. Second time. Padahastasana. Rise your arms above your head. Breathe in. Take the long breath. When you are bending, you have to breathe out. Okay? Bend down, breathe out and bend down. Keep your palms under your foot. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Release your arms. Take your arms above your head. Slowly bring down. Be in the standard ease position. Go for relaxation pose. Relax yourself. Relax, children. Relax. Okay, children. Next, we are moving Ardha Chakrasana. Come to attention position. Feet apart. Count number 1. Take your arms and keep it near to your trunk. Take your arm support. Slowly push your arms, push your trunk and come back. Bend back. You have to bend your body back side. How much possible, that much. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax, come back. Raise your body, release your arms. Be in the standard ease position. Be in the relaxation pose. Relax. Take the long breath inside and release the long breath outside. Same asana we are doing second time. Slowly feet apart. Count number 1. Count number 2. Hands upon your trunk. Count number 3. Bend back. Take your arm support. Push your trunk and bend back. How much possible, that much. Be in the pose minimum 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rise your body. Release your arms. Be in the standard ease position. Do relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. 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 Okay, children. We are moving next standing asana, that is Trikonasana. Come to attention position. Stretch your legs. Right side and left side. Stretch. Stretch your arms. Slowly bend to your right side. Rise your body and see the left hand palm. Be in the position 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly put your head down. Slowly come to the normal position. Release your hands. Join your legs. Be in the relaxation pose. Stand at ease position. Relax. Take long breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, now other side. Come to attention position. Now you have to move to left side. Okay, stretch your legs. Stretch your arms. Slowly bend to your left side. Again look your other palm, right hand palm. You have to see. Rise your head. Be in the position 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back to position. Slowly get up. Release your arms. Release your legs. Join your legs. Join your legs. Go to relaxation pose. Bend down. Take long breath in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay children, next we are moving for sitting asanas. Kindly come to attention position. Slowly sit down. Stretch your legs. आराम से. In the sitting asana, first asana we are doing, that is Bhadrasana. First fold your right leg. Then slowly left leg. Use your palms and interlock your toes. Hold tightly and sit straight. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your arms. Slowly release your right leg, left leg. Be in the sitting relaxation pose. Keep your hands back and put your head down. Take long breath in, breathe out. Relax. Same asana we are doing 1 second children. Come to asana position, sitting asana position. Fold your right leg, left leg, interlock with your hands. Use your hands and interlock. Sit straight. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Release your arms. Release your legs. Slowly go to relaxation pose. Put your head down. Relax. Take long breath in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay children, next we are moving towards next sitting asana, that is Vajrasana. Okay, slowly come to sitting asana position. Fold your right leg. Again left leg. Sit upon your heels. Keep your hands upon your thigh. This is the meditation asana also. When doing meditation, you can use this asana. Be in the asana minimum 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your legs. Go for relaxation pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Same asana we are doing once again, children. Ready? Come to the position. Fold your right leg, then left leg. Keep your hands upon your thigh. Close your eyes. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. Release your legs. Come to relaxation pose. Slowly release your legs. Close your eyes. Be in the relaxation pose. Take long breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay, children. We are moving for the next sitting asana, that is Ustrasana. Fold your legs, right leg. Fold your right leg. Again, same left leg. Raise your body. Put your right hand back side. It should touch to your leg. Again, next hand, left hand. It should also touch to the other leg. And stretch your body. Bend your head back side. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your hands. Up to down. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Release your legs. Go to relaxation pose. Relax. Take long breath in, breathe out. Dear children, same asana we are doing once again. Slowly come to sitting asana position. Bend your legs. Right leg. Again left leg. Raise your body. Right hand back side. It should touch to your heel. Right heel. Again left hand. Left heel. Stretch your body. Be in the asana 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Release your hands. Go to Vajrasana. Release your legs. Go to relaxation pose. 5 seconds. Take long breath in, breathe out. Relax. Relax. Dear children, next we are moving next sitting asana, that is Shashank Asana. Slowly come to sitting asana pose. Bend your legs, right leg. Again left leg. Slowly bend forward. Rise your hands up and slowly bend forward. Try to touch your forehead for the yoga mat. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Put your hands down. Release your legs. Go to relaxation pose. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Same asana we are doing once again, children. Come to asana position and fold your legs, right leg, left leg, and rise your arms up. Slowly bend forward. Try to touch your forehead for the yoga mat. Bend down. Relax. Be in the pose. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly get up. Release your hands. Release your legs. Be in the relaxation pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Take long breathing. Relax. Okay, children, we are moving for the next sitting asana, that is Uttana Mandukasana. Slowly come to sitting asana position. Bend your right leg, left leg. Near your thighs, you have to make V shape. You should not join your thighs. You have to do V shape. Kindly raise your right hand, right hand, bend. You have to keep into shape backside like this. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly rise your hands. Release your legs. Be in the relaxation pose. Okay, dear children, same asana we are doing once again. Come to the sitting asana position. Bend your legs. Make V shape. You have to make V shape. Raise your hands up. Slowly bend your arms and make into position. And look front. Be in the position 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your hands. Release your legs. Be in the relaxation pose. Close your eyes. Bend your head. Take a long breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay, children. Next, we are moving towards pronine postures. First, you have to go for the pronine position. Slowly go to pronine position. Put your body down and turn towards right side. This is the pronine position. Complete your body should turn towards the ground side, mat side. This is the pronine position. In this, first we are doing Makarasana. This is a relaxation asana. Bend your legs. Interlock your arms near to your head. Turn to your right side or left side your head. Be in the relaxation. Close your eyes. Be in the relaxation pose. Take breath in, breathe out. Do relaxation. Take the long breath inside and outside. Leave your breath outside. Relax. 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 Okay, children, come to pronine position. We are moving to the next sitting asana. Next pronine asana. That is Bhujangasana. Come to pronine position. Bring your arms near to your shoulders. This is count number 1. Count number 2, rise your head up. Rise your body upwards. How much possible, that much you have to push your body. Your head should be little bit seeing upside. Be in the pose. 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the pronine position. Go to Makarasana. Relax. Be in the Makarasana position. Dear children, next same Bhujangasana we are doing once again. Come to the Bhujangasana position. Bring your hands near to your shoulder level. Count number 2, rise your body. Count number 3, rise your head. Be in the pose. 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Slowly go to Makarasana position. Relax. Take relaxation. Take long breath in, breathe out. Relax, children. Next we are moving other pranayama posture, that is Shalabhasana. Come to the position. Take your right hand, keep it under your right thigh. Again left hand near the left thigh. Slowly rise your legs. Be in the pose. 5 counts. Maintain balance. 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your legs. Take out your hands. Go to Makarasana position. Relax yourself. Relax. Take breath in, breathe out. Same Shalabhasana we are doing once again. Come to the position. Take your right hand under your right thigh, left hand under your left thigh. Rise your legs. Be in the pose. Maintain balance. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your legs. Release your arms. Come to Makarasana position. Do relaxation. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Relax. Relax, children. Next we are moving towards supine postures. We have to go to pronine posture to supine posture. Slowly turn to your right side. Your face towards to the sky side. This is supine position. In the supine position, we are doing first asana as Setu Bandhasana. Slowly fold your right leg. Slowly left leg also. Kindly catch with your both hands. Use your both hands and hold your legs. Hold your heels and rise your body upside. How much possible, that much. This is called Setu Bandhasana. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your body down. Release your legs. Go to Shavasana. Relax yourself. Take long breath in, breathe out, relax. Same asana, Setu Bandhasana, we are doing second time. Fold your legs. Hold with your hands. Hold your heels with your hands. Rise your body. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Put your body down. Release your legs. Go to Shavasana position. Relax. Take long breath in, breathe out. Relax yourself. Relax, children. Okay, children. In the supine asanas, we are moving for the next asana, that is Sarvangasana. Come to the supine position slowly. Rise your legs. Rise your body up. Take help of your hands and make it straight. Your body, make it straight. How much possible, that much. Straightly you have to make. Okay. Be in the pose 5 seconds. 5 counts. Sorry, 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Take your hands help. Release your body and release your legs. Go to Shavasana position. Be in the relaxation pose. Relax, children. Breathe in, breathe out. Same asana we are doing once again. Slowly rise your legs. Take help of your hands and lift it up your body. Make it straight. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your body. Use your hands and slowly release your body. Put your legs down. Go to Shavasana position. Relax yourself. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, children. Relax. 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 Relax, children. Take breath in, breathe out. We are moving next supine asana, that is Pavana Muktasana. Slowly fold your right leg. Again left leg. Fold your left leg. Interlock with your hands. Slowly rise your head. Try to touch your knees with the forehead. How much possible, that much you have to do it. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly put your head down. Release your hands. Release your legs. Go to Shavasana position. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Dear children, same asana we are doing once again. Fold your right leg. Slowly fold your right leg. And the left leg next. Interlock with your hands. Raise your head. Try to touch your knees. Be in the pose 5 counts. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your head down. Release your hands. Release your legs. Go to Shavasana position. Okay children, we're done with all asanas. Relax now. Be in the Shavasana only. Relax. What all asanas we did, we have to recall now. What all asanas we did, we have to recall. Slowly. Okay children, we done with all the exercises. We have to do relaxation now. You are in the Shavasana position. Relax. We have to recall all the asanas, what all we did. First we did the Surya Namaskara. In that different asanas we did it. What all that one we have to recall now. First Namaskarasana. How we did the Namaskarasana, recall. Next Urdhva Namaskarasana, recall. Next we did Vipadasana, that you have to recall that one. Next we did Ekapadasana, that you have to recall. Next one Dvipada Prasaranasana, you have to recall that one. Next Shashankasana, recall the Shashankasana. What all postures you did. Next Sastanga Namaskarasana, recall that one. Afterwards we did the Bhujangasana, recall the Bhujangasana. Next we did Adhomukha Shvanasana, recall it. Next we did Ekapadasana, recall that one. Next we did Dvipadasana, recall it. After that one we did Urdhva Namaskarasana, recall. After that one we come to the Namaskara position. Next we did the standing asanas. We have to recall now standing asanas. That is Tadasana, first one. Recall the Tadasana, what we did. Next we did the Rukshasana. What we did in the Rukshasana you have to recall. Next we did the Padahastasana. Recall the Padahastasana, what we did. Next we did Ardha Chakrasana. Recall it. What the Ardha Chakrasana we did. Next we did Trikonasana. Recall the Trikonasana. Next we went to the sitting asanas. We have to recall the sitting asanas now. First one we did Bhadrasana, recall the Bhadrasana. Next we did the Vajrasana, recall the Vajrasana. The sitting asanas, second one Vajrasana we did, recall children that one. Next we did the Ushtrasana, recall the Ushtrasana children. Recall it. Next we did Shashankasana, recall the Shashankasana. Next we did Uttana Mandukasana, recall that one. After all sitting asanas, we went to the pronine posture. We have to recall those asanas also. we did the Makarasana in the first one. Recall the Makarasana. Next we did Bhujangasana in the pronoun position. Recall that one. Next we did Shalabhasana. Recall children that one. Shalabhasana. After pronoun position we went for the supine position asanas. In that Setu Bandhasana we did the first one. Recall the Setu Bandhasana. After that one we went to Sarvangasana. Recall Sarvangasana. After that we did the Pavana Muktasana. Recall Pavana Muktasana. Relax children. Take breath in, breathe out, relax. Slowly turn to your right side. After recalling everything, slowly you have to turn to your right side. You have to come to the Sukhasana position. We are doing 3 Omkaras. Slowly children, now kindly don't open your eyes. Slowly turn to your right side. Slowly get up. Come to Sukhasana position, cross leg position, cross leg pose. Sit in the meditation position. We are doing 3 Omkaras. Slowly breathe in, breathe inside. Take your breath now. Say Omkara with us. The next Omkara, get ready. Slowly breathe in children. Say Omkara with us. Now the third one. Slowly take your breath inside. Say Omkara with us. Relax children. Relax. Rub your hands. Slowly rub your hands. Keep it near your eyes and ears. Keep it near your ears. Bring your 2 palms in front of your eyes. 2 palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. See your palms. Relax. Okay children, we done with all the International Yoga Day sitting, standing asana, Surya Namaskara, pranayama, supine positions. Be safe, be fit in the home. Once again, happy International Yoga Day. Okay children, be fit, be safe in the home. Have a nice day.